step-by-step guide to applying to Singapore universities. We break down the entire process to make it simple and clear. Why Singapore? Leading universities like NUS and NTU offer world-class education in a dynamic, multicultural environment. Start by researching universities. Compare NUS, NTU, SMU, and Polytechnics to find programs that match your goals. Review available courses. Focus on curriculum, career prospects, and your interests before narrowing down your choices. Understand eligibility. Check each university's entry requirements, application timelines, and key deadlines carefully. Gather required documents. Prepare transcripts, identification, test scores, and other materials needed for your application. Don't forget supporting documents. You'll often need recommendation letters and language test scores, so keep everything organized. Start your personal statement. Highlight your strengths, experiences, and motivation for choosing your intended course. Write clearly and honestly. Tailor your statement for each university to reflect your passion and suitability for the program. Navigate the online portal. Carefully fill in your details and upload all required documents as instructed on the university site. Review your application thoroughly before submitting. Be sure to keep track of your application confirmation and reference number. If selected, prepare for interviews. Practice common questions and showcase your passion for your chosen program. Explore scholarships and financial aid. Apply for any available grants and scholarships suitable to your profile. Stay organized with a timeline. Tracking each step ensures you don't miss out on key deadlines. With careful planning and perseverance, your journey to studying in Singapore is within reach. Ready to take the first step.